That's that red I caught right now. That's how they hide in the marsh. He thinks he's hiding from me. Yeah, buddy, he thinks he's hiding. Ah, you're going home, buddy. You're going out my frying pan. We're having dinner together. This is what Hurricane Laura did. Trying to get to this, all this debris and all this trash. Almost out. Feels like I started off at the marsh. Alright, I'm out. This trash here. Welcome back, folks. We're going to try it out again. I'm out here in Sargent. I'm on the intercoastal, and I'm going to see if I can get on some fish. This is one of the coolest things to see in the morning, the sunrise. That's one of the nice things of living here in the Galveston area. Get you some coffee and wake up to these beautiful sunrises. And my left-handed Shimano that I made that video on, and I've got this curl-tail bug. It's a white one with the little rattle at the bottom. So I'm gonna start casting this guy first. He's a starter on my starting lineup, and let's see what happens. Back marsh, one of my favorite places to fish, and I'm just trying to see if we're going to be able to get some fish today. Let's see what happens. Also, I want to thank all of you guys that have been watching my channel and been supporting my channel, especially you, Beto. Throw a shout out to Beto because he's a good guy. He's a friend of mine who's done a lot for my channel. He's done a really lot for my channel. There you go. I just set it up. This right here might be the ticket to catching a fish today, because I tried the biobait, and when you're rigging it up, you got to make sure that you got to make sure that the tail's down. The hook's right here. It's a weedless hook right there, so it's right over its back, but you want to make sure that the tail's down. There's what I had before, and they're right there. Got my first red. I just got this guy right now. Little red. I guess I missed out on I wasn't recording, but not bad to start off with. Pretty good. Got him on the hoagies. Let me take one quick picture and I'll set you free, buddy. And that little dude hit this right here. Nice little hoagies. Let's get at it again. They're right here. I can feel them in here. They're probably moving to the back marsh. I'm going to the back marsh. Got it. That was a bite. He's right there. He's not moving. It's probably a flounder. Got loose. I knew it. Got it. Oh, this is like a red. Definitely a red. Find a little bit of drag. Finally another red. All right, we'll let you fight a little bit. Come on, baby. We'll let you fight a little bit. It's okay. Take your time. I got you. I see you. You're getting tired. Come on, you ready? Come on, baby. Come on. I just caught your little brother earlier. Oh, don't go there. Don't go into the boat. He's getting tired. Boy. Come on, man. Oh, this might be a keeper. Taking my time with this dude because I'm in the grass. All right, it's time to bring you in. It's time to bring you in. Okay, well, maybe not. Oops. Oops, maybe not. Come on, baby. All right. Told you it was time to get you inside. Boy, this one's a keeper. All right, let me put this thing away. Let me show you what I got. Where's my bogus? Come here, baby. All right, there you go. Look at this guy. Look at this nice little red. All right, so we're gonna measure him real quick, but he's gonna be borderline. He's about 20 maybe. He might be able to keep. Oh, he swallowed the hook. He swallowed the hook. Where are my pliers? Don't tell me I didn't bring them. Oh yeah, he's 20. He's 20. Exactly 20. Without a pinch tail, he is 20. He's 20 without the pinch tail. So if I pinch it, he's a little over. But I might have to let this guy go. All right, so I'm gonna have to give this guy some air because he's been out of the water for a while. I need to find something to take the you're good. Just give him some air. He's borderline 20, and I don't know if I don't think I'm gonna keep him. My forceps got some right here. He chunked the whole damn thing. Nope, I'm gonna have to keep this guy. I don't know what happened to, I didn't bring my forceps, I guess, or I dropped them or something. So I've got to figure out a way to untie these guys, or I'm going to be in a whirl of crap. This one this guy had chunked it, so there was no way I could. I've got some little ones here that I think might be able to work. I had to cut the line to get him. He swallowed my hoagies. It's in his belly. But I'm gonna have to keep him because there's no way that he wouldn't. I don't think he'd survive. So Besides, he is 20 without a pinch tail, so he'll be all right. So I had to hurry up and retie this knot again. There you have it, folks. That's it, right there. So that mullet in the water looks similar to this Googan bait. So I'm gonna switch out my hoagies, and they're about the same size. So we're gonna give it a go. See if we can catch something with these Googan bait lures. Slimy little suckers. All right. Oh, he let go. Oh, shoot. Oh, no, he didn't. He's there. Okay, I'm gonna have to do it old school. Right. I don't know what's going on here, but my reel isn't working. Okay. So I'm gonna do it old school, man. How I did it when I was 9 years old. Let's see if I don't get hurt. Okay, so he let go. Whatever it was, it let go. Well, folks, 2 red so far, and I lost a flounder. The first one was a red, undersized, didn't even measure him. The second one I'm gonna keep. I could not save him, so I'm going to, he swallowed the lure, everything. It was way down there. I didn't have anything to take it out, so I give him some air. He's still alive, and he's still alive, so you see. So I'm just gonna keep him alive till I can get him out to the launch. But man, it's been pretty good fishing so far. A couple of hours after Hurricane Laura, the marsh are flooded with water, and all I'm doing is blind casting blow-ups. That's all I'm doing, and hopefully I can get onto some more reds. That is it for today. I ended up with a couple of, well, actually, now I ended up with one keeper, red, and all in all, it was a good day. Anytime you can catch a red, it's always a good day. So I was pretty happy. The fishing was okay, but definitely a lot of water in this area right now because of the flood. The marshes are a little flooded. I could pedal all in the marsh area where I was at, and normally I can't do that. Yeah, that's it, man. Thank you for watching, and I do appreciate you guys staying with me, and don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Also, before I leave, I want to mention that I am going to do a 1K giveaway. I'm gonna give out a spinning reel, a Battle 2 3000 spinning reel with the rod, and I think it's on. It's got 15-pound braid so on it, and it's ready to go.